Good morning, Porch Coffee family. If everyone around you is talking holiday cheer and you're trying not to cry in the shower, this cup is for you. Bills are higher, groceries are higher, and life is still life. You're not the only one that woke up thinking, I don't have time or the energy for all this forced happy. It doesn't mean you're ungrateful. It means you're carrying a lot. Kids, work, health, money, and healing, all under twinkling lights. So today, instead of performing the perfect holiday season, ask yourself this one thing. What is the one small thing I could do for me? If your tree is not up yet, you're still worthy. If the gifts are smaller this year, you're still worthy. You're allowed to protect your peace and love your people. This is Porch Coffee. And if you're feeling that, you're not alone. Drop a coffee in the comments.